Hi, welcome to Completely Me. I'm Dr. Justine Green. If you purchase the activity kits or the book series, I want to start by saying thank you. We hope your family enjoys every bit of it. Don't forget to check out the Completely Me podcast as well. The Completely Me activity kits are a dream come true. Messy, taste-safe sensory play is not only fun, but important for your little one's development. Your activity kit is carefully curated by experts in the field of education and human development to make sure every component is meaningful and beneficial. Children learn through play. Pouring, grabbing, scooping, using scissors, funnels, and even sweeping the mess clean are all essential for developing fine and gross motor skills, hand-eye coordination, independence, pre-writing skills, all while fostering creativity and focus. Your kit will be messy, so prepare for that. The first initial activity kit will come with a PP plastic container made for food storage with the safest American-made plastic. There will also be a mini dustpan and broom, and you can even purchase the Completely Me reusable drawstring mat for easy mess control. Knowing that the kits will be messy, fun play, you should plan out how best to set your child up for success. Choose a location for play that will bother you the least. Maybe an enclosed shower, outside in the backyard on a towel, in the park, on tile floor with the mat beneath them, playroom table with the disposable tablecloth underneath. Wherever you choose will be great. The kids love these activity kits, and we know you will too. Let your kids be kids with our safe, messy, taste-safe, Completely Me activity kits. See you again soon. Bye-bye.